Please subscribe to my channel, Chris Trent Videos on YouTube. Eastbound train, Hagerstown, Indiana. Only one locomotive? Oh man,
Is this the train that's in the emergency?
No. That train's over there east of Hagerstown. This is train 143, I believe. Eastbound train 143, Newcastle, Indiana. This will have locomotives in the middle or on the end. It's okay to put on the road, no problem. Be easier on my arm. Sheets of steel. They use that in automobile making. More sheets of steel. The DPUs ought to be coming up. There's a reefer car, refrigerator car. Got food in that car. There's a DPU.